Recently, the low beam headlights on my 2017 Jeep Cherokee went out, and I get this annoying notification. And instead of getting the same halogen light bulbs that it came with, I decided to replace both headlights with LED lights instead. This would allow me to hopefully never to replace them ever again. So today I'm going to show you step by step how I replaced it. And before we get started, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And here's the materials I used. An HB3 9005 12 volt 60 watt LED low and high beam headlights with 12,000 lumens. A flathead screwdriver, 8mm socket, and a ratchet. And also a flashlight. Affiliate links for all of these items in the description. First, we need to locate the headlights, which are located by the front wheels behind this panel. I turn the wheels all the way to the left to have more space to work on. I'm using an 8mm socket and a ratchet to loosen up these two screws. Right above, there's this very small opening that I pulled to open up this panel. It's a soft material and can be bent very easily to untuck this panel. Then, I use this lantern type flashlight to hold the panel open like so. Then, I located this round plastic cover that covers the headlights. I just twisted it counterclockwise. I pinched one of these tabs to take it off. This plastic cover protects the headlights from any moisture. That's why it's sealed with this rubber lining. I then remove the headlights by turning it counterclockwise. Make sure that the headlight is not too hot when doing this, especially because this old one is halogen and can easily burn your hand, so just let it cool first. Then I unclip this connection. I used a flathead screwdriver to separate them like so. I put the LED light bulb by inserting it carefully into the socket and turning it clockwise. I then connected these like so. But before I do anything else, I made sure it's working by trying it out. If not, try to flip over how the connection is plugged in, like so. Now that everything seems to be working, I tucked in the cables inside and covered it with this round plastic cover, and turning it clockwise. I then tucked the panel back in like so and screwed it back up. I did the same thing on the other side, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you next time.